Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Emily and you are going to watch a video about, well, I hope you're going to watch a video about how we manage to have 4 people in a 1-bedroom apartment. I know 2 of those people are little people, but still sometimes I feel like babies have more stuff than adults, so it's still a challenge, definitely. But yeah, our apartment is 819 square feet. And there are 4 of us. There were 3 of us when we moved in, and then I had a baby, and so now there are 4 of us. But yeah, I feel like we made it work pretty well. Like, it didn't really bother me that much that we only have 1 bedroom, except for when Obi worked from home. But anyway, I'm going to show you around and talk about how we did it. If you have a small space, I recommend you get an over-the-door hanger for things to really help. This is our entry closet. We also use it as our pantry, and our recycling bin is in there with our broom and our mop. So this closet does a lot of jobs. This is our entryway, has our little mail carrier with our keys, and our bench where we can put our shoes on. Our stroller is just out. We don't fold it up because it's too much of a hassle, I feel like. There's our living room. And this is Obi's office area, and then there's the kitchen. The kitchen doesn't have a lot of cabinet space, so that's why we use our front closet as a pantry. And then we have a dining table here, so even though it's only 819 square feet, we can still fit a lot of things here, and this room has a lot of functions. So we have baby stuff everywhere, as you can see. There's our entertainment center. There's our robot that vacuums for us, which I love. Here's all the kids' toys. I try to keep the toys to a minimum. Like the ones that can fit in that box are what they have. And if they don't fit in the box, then I get rid of some. And then this side is just another coffee table or side table. I don't really keep a lot of decorations out. For one, I like to be low clutter, and also I have a toddler, so I don't really like having things that she can break around. So I just keep it minimal. And I think it looks better that way anyway, because it's a small space, so if you put a lot of decorations out, it would just look cluttered. But we're definitely going to get some shelves for her books in the next apartment. And we like to keep that area open so that we can see the view. There's our scale, and then we have baskets under each side of our bed, under our side tables. And baskets are great because not only are they cute, but they're also very functional. And then, as you can see, we have a huge pile of donation stuff. There's my sweet baby. We have a huge pile of things that I need to donate right there. So all of that is going to be gone in the next few days, hopefully. And these are the girls' playpens, which they use we also use them as their cribs. So they sleep in the same room with us. And then there's our laundry basket, which I love because I can separate things out. And then in this door is our washer and dryer, which are very small, but that encourages me to do a load every day. And then you can keep your laundry stuff above it and your ironing board beside it. And then in our bathroom, oh, I need to do laundry, don't I? The bathroom has a lot of storage, and it's a pretty large bathroom for the size of the apartment. So I really like that because you can fit everything in there, and that's nice. If you wanted more storage in a small space, you could get one of those shelving units that go over the toilet, and those look like they could hold a lot too. And there's a little suction cup thing to the wall for more storage in the shower. And this is our walk-in closet, which is completely packed with things. We have everything from extra toilet paper to Christmas decorations in this closet. So it holds a lot of stuff. So there's my clothes, and then the girls' clothes, and then Obi's clothes. So we each have one of those bins at the bottom. And then, as you can see, most of the clothes are Obi's. And then this is our view, which I'm going to miss so much. But I'm excited to show you guys which apartment we chose in our next video. There's Lake Michigan over there, which I love to watch the boats go by. And then there's the train. I won't miss the train noise. And there, down there is our outdoor area, which was really nice to have. And it had the grilling area, which we enjoyed using. So yeah, I'll miss this place for sure. Comment down below if you have ever lived in a small space and how many people lived there. I know we're not like this most extreme. I'm sure there's like, oh, we have 6 kids in a 200 square foot place, but we're not that cool yet. But yeah, let us know in the comments if you've ever lived in a very small place and had to get creative. What are you gonna miss about this place?
I'll miss the most would probably be the view to the lake out there.
That's what I said.
And proximity to downtown. Just staying on State Street here and just walking in the evening or whenever you want to, and just walk straight into downtown. That's what I'll miss.
Alright.
Then of course one other thing I probably would miss would be just the apartment, like the interior is really cool interior. So yeah, that's what I'll miss.
Okay. Don't give away anything because I have to make another video about our apartment search, but what do you think you will like most about the new place? That you don't have to listen to that every day?
Yep. Yeah, for one, I don't have to listen to that every day. But I think more importantly, just the neighborhood.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and consider subscribing so that you won't miss any future videos. I will be doing a video about how we chose our next place. We're actually in the process of moving right now, and we are also going on a trip soon, so I'll be doing a video about how to internationally fly with 2 babies. So that's going to be fun. So stay tuned for those videos coming up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I never know how to end videos, like and subscribe and see you in the next one. I just feel dumb. Anyway, just keep watching my videos and I'll be happy.